Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, thank you for being here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Today we're gonna be doing a little bit of decluttering, organizing, and I don't know, tidying up this cabinet right here. So this is my den area, and this cabinet has all sorts of things, but they are completely out of order, and it has become a cabinet that we just have stuff that we don't know where to put. Well, give me a second, baby. And so we just stuff it in there. I'm going to show you what it looks like now, and hopefully we get to, it's really bad, but hopefully we get to have a kind of a good end of this story. I'm not sure how we're gonna do it, or I'm just gonna go through it and see where it takes us. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy and stay until the end. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and leave me a comment below what other videos would you like me to include on my channel. I really appreciate your support, and let's get started. As a bonus, I am going to show you, and we're gonna do this together. I think I shared this on Instagram, and I might have that on my highlights. This is an ongoing issue that probably a lot of you can relate. Pantry, it's always an ongoing cleaning, organizing, because you just have to keep like looking at what you have, and more food keeps coming in, and it's just like a cycle, right? But I feel like it is the time for me to get these done. I just want to kind of take a look at what we have there and organize a little bit better. So I will be taking you with me, and hopefully you get inspired. It's really good for you guys to kind of do these routinely every once in a while, because things get forgiven in there, and then you keep buying them, and you're like, oh my god, why do I have like 5 bottles of ketchup? I don't know, something, you know. But yeah, I did one of these. You can look at on my Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead and check it out. It's on my highlights on cleaning and tidying up, or something like that is my highlight. So go ahead and check that out. But other than that, I'll show you the process of this. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Stay to the end, and let's get started. all. I think there was a lot of stuff that does not belong there, and it just started piling up. But I am going to put the things that have a place. I'll show you. There's a lot of things that weren't supposed to be there, so I'll show you. So all these stuff, we actually have a cabinet of electronic or cords and phone stuff that that's where that belongs. So that's where I'm gonna take that, and that's the main thing that was probably taking a bunch of space on this cabinet. And then I have a few pictures that I forgot. I actually need to get a frame for it. I already told James that we gotta go to Home Goods, make a trip there and get a frame for that. But yeah, I'll show you guys how it looks now. Okay, so these are this is where we're gonna be keeping the remote controls from this TV, because we can't have them anywhere in the couch area because the kids just might lose them, or I don't know. Anyway, so this is my spot where I keep my essential oils. I organize them by brand, by type, and all my mixes and main solutions and containers. I have those there. That's another remote control for our fan on this room. That's the remote control for my diffuser over here. So I have all contained in this one area. Behind that, I kept some candles that they will be used for Christmas time. This main area, these two are going to be, or they are for the kids' crafts and coloring and you know, toys, puzzles, and just more educational stuff. So I'll keep these. I have these really handy boxes, and they are super useful, just to be able to divide per type of thing that we have here. I recently just got this, and it's really cool because it has all kinds of different things that you can play and make crafts. I love this one, and Jay's had a blast making the paper bags puppets, and there's some animals that you can make, and super easy to do too with him. That is gonna be getting done sometime in the near future. This is for fall, like Thanksgiving-ish craft, and they're wreaths, so it comes with all the things that you can put it on your wreath and hang them. So I will have that available for maybe for Thanksgiving activity for the kids to do. That will be good. So that's on the to-do list. Down below, I didn't do much because there's really not much to do. We rarely touch this area. I have some party supplies there, and the other one is empty, so that's handy. That's nice. I might find some use of that. And then over here there's some records and the record player that we don't use, some books that we keep there, and that's about it, you guys. Oh, it makes me want to take a deep breath. So nice to have things organized. All right. I don't know about you guys, but when I start doing this type of pantry organization, it is a completely puzzle. It's a trial and error, so you just go as try and see what works and what doesn't, and then try again until it actually feels right. So there's a lot going on that, especially right there, trying to make use of those new blue gray containers and the sliding things I was trying to put the bars in. Alright, you guys, it's a long journey with this pantry. I am probably halfway through it, but you can see my little assistant was very into it with the bars, trying to organize those. I don't know exactly in what way, but he was in the organization mood with me, so it was pretty cute to see actually when I'm editing the video. Also, I don't know if you guys saw the vacuum I use. Is it the Dyson V8, I think. But it is super handy for those who have kids or pets or just a messy house in general. I highly recommend it because it's cordless and it is completely easy to use. It comes in handy for us on a regular basis. I'm not a sponsor or anything. I'm just truly recommend that vacuum. It's been really good to just have that handy. And I am trying to figure out a way to organize my wine glasses and the area where I have like the wine. I can actually organize and move where I had them. It was a little bit tricky since I don't want to break anything, but we got it done. I did actually change things around quite a bit on the pantry, and I think it works perfectly now with this new setup. All right, you guys, this is it. Still pretty crowded, but it's much better organized. So I had dog stuff over there, and now I switched it because we have the dog food right there. So I was saying that we had all of that right here is the dog food. So we had the dog food right there, and then that box is still like grooming stuff, brushes and stuff for the dogs, but we are switching. I had the Ninja foodie down there, so I put it up there. It was a perfect spot for it, and I am going to keep that there, leave most of the treats and food stuff for the dogs right there. And then we have the cereal organized right here. Then over here I left these reachable for the kids because they come and grab their bars and their gummies and some other stuff. The pouches and more snack stuff. These are bags. These are where we keep the fruit and chips and more chips. I was completely amazed of how many bags of chips this household has. So I told actually James that I can't believe how many bags of chips we have, but it was pretty funny. Anyway, so that, and then we have bars and some little Cheez-Its, kind of like snacks, chips area, and up here there's gonna be the extra Nespresso pots that they don't fit under my cabinet. All these are baking and flours and powders of any sort of thing, so they're gonna be all that. That's how it kind of looks, the box at the end. It's not perfect, but it's actually not horrible. So I have to get rid of that. I don't use it anymore. It still works. So we'll see. I might give it to my mom if she wants it. I have told her that, but I don't know. So there's extra jars over there. There's cooler bags and stuff like that. That I'm not sure what to do with that. We might donate that. We don't really use it because we keep all our spices out of sight and we keep them in a cabinet. So there's paper, supplies, jars, nuts, pasta box, and down here we have kind of like wine and stuff like that. Glass jars, reusable or glasses and stuff. These are my recipe books. And my used Nespresso pods and coffee to go coffee cups, and that's it, you guys. These are reusable bags, and that's how the pantry looks. That was it, you guys. Oh my god, this was such a nightmare. It was such a mind of like organizing everything in my head, try to make sure if it's in the right place. I might still play around with it, but this is how I came out with this final look of the pantry. I hope you guys enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment what you thought, anything that you suggest to have for me to organize better. I'll take it, all the comments below here, and like, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.